In this video, I want to demonstrate how to add a steel to the SolidWorks library that isn't currently there. So for my pin I've created, I want the material to be 01. So first, I'm going to come to the material and right-click and tell it to edit the material. Then when the window opens up, I want to look and see if the 01 is here, and it's not. There are similar steels, but not 01s. So what I want to do is create a category for there. So I'm going to come down to the bottom. I'm going to right click down here and I'm going to say let's add a new category, and I'm going to call this tool steels, and in this I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to tell it I want to create a new material. So I can name this material whichever I like, in this case 01, and I can set up all its properties here, or I can go back here and I can find a steel that's close. So I'm going to look through them and say, well, 4130, it's reasonably close. I'm going to right click and I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to move down here and I'm going to right click on the tool steels and I'm going to tell it to paste. So I pasted it, and now I'm going to select it and I'm going to rename it by doing a slow double click. I'm going to call this 01. The next thing I want to do is I want to set up all its material properties here. After I've set up all its properties and added the description that these properties are when it's hardened to Rockwell 62C, I can then apply this material and close like any other material. Now I can choose 01 for any future material